let's do an Amazon haul. So the first thing I got is this really cute turquoise ring. I'm gonna wear it on my pointer finger or my middle finger, but it's a pretty substantial ring. It's not too big though, and it's not too dainty either. Really pretty. Okay, so you've probably seen these like sheer shirts before. This one has like these little stars and glitter all over it. It looks incredibly small though, so I'm not sure if that's gonna fit me, but it's really stretchy, so we'll see. And you kind of, it's sheer, so you'd wear it over a black bra or a black tank top or something like that. This color, you guys, oh my god, this is a one shoulder bodysuit. Obviously it's wrinkly right now, but how pretty is this color? I got this white shirt next. It's sheer on the sleeves and then on the v-neck in the front. So I usually swear by the Unite 7 seconds detangler and heat protectant, but I got this Redken One United one to try. I've heard some good things about it, and it does all the same things that the Unite one does, so I'm gonna try this one out. I was so excited about this tank top, but it looks super small. This is from Shein on Amazon, and it is one of those long sleeve cutout tops with the cutout on the above the bust. All right, last thing I got is this long sleeve pink, hot pink bodysuit. This brand Mango Pop on Amazon is a really good brand. This material, I have a couple of shirts by them, and this material is like top notch. I love that this has the square neck on it, so cute little bodysuit to try out. I'm not quite on the bodysuit trend, but I'm trying.